Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to lose fat with exercise at home. First, always start with a dynamic warm-up for about 5 minutes. This gets your blood flowing and prepares your muscles for activity, reducing injury risk. Think arm circles, leg swings, and light jogging in place. Proper preparation is key to an effective and safe workout, setting a strong foundation for your fat loss journey. Now, let's dive into effective bodyweight exercises. Incorporate movements like squats, push-ups, and lunges into your routine. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions for each exercise. These compound movements engage multiple muscle groups, boosting your metabolism and burning more calories. Remember to maintain good form throughout to get the most out of every rep. To really boost fat loss, add 20 minutes of high-intensity interval training or HIIT after your strength work. Think jumping jacks, burpees, or mountain climbers with short rest periods. This elevates your heart rate and keeps burning calories long after you finish. Always end with a 5-minute cool down, stretching major muscle groups to improve flexibility and aid recovery. Consistency is paramount for achieving your fat loss goals. Aim to exercise 3 to 5 days per week, making it a regular part of your routine. Combine this with a balanced diet and ensure you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night, as rest is crucial for muscle recovery and overall well-being. For a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other deals in the description below. Remember, small, consistent efforts lead to significant, lasting changes.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.